Hi everyone, Glama here. So welcome to Wake Up with Glama. Literally just waking up, having my coffee, and I look a mess. I have smeared makeup from the night or from the day before, took off as much as I could, but you never always get it all the way off. Anyway, I just thought I would come on live on this channel. I don't know how much longer this channel is going to be active. I just got an email last week saying that they're going to not monetize this channel anymore because I don't have enough subscribers in it. And yeah, and because I'm not putting up enough content on here either. So I see there's 2 people in here. I don't see who is in here. I don't see comments or anything, but if you're in here, say hello. I'm in my new house, yay! I need to do this for my other channels too. Maybe I'll do this later with actual makeup on because I look really, really bad right now. But yeah, I'm in my new house. I still have boxes everywhere. There's Petrova, there's Finesse, and I'm watching GMA right now. There's Paris. So yeah, oh hey, maybe I'll just walk around a little bit and show you a little bit of the house. I still have boxes everywhere. Here's the outside. I don't know if you can see outside at all, but let me see. See, there's boxes everywhere. I have my robe on. I don't have it tied. I better hold it closed. So yeah, let me see if I can get a good shot of the living room. Here's the living room. And we'll just walk to the front of the house and start over that way. But anyway, I just wanted to say good morning and just let y'all know that I'm thinking about you. See, I just emptied all these boxes last night. There's 3, 4, there's 6 boxes right there. And I've already emptied out like 10 before that. But so we're at the front door. And so this is what it looks like from the front door. Here is the front formal living area, and here's the dining area in the front, and that leads over into a butler pantry. And this is my IKEA wardrobe. I didn't know where to put it. The childhood home that I came from didn't have very many very much closet space, so I bought this IKEA wardrobe right here, and this house, because it's more modern, has closets everywhere. So I thought what I would use it for is right here in the entryway, and I would have my my boots and stuff, our shoes, and I have a little bench right there, ottoman, where we can sit, take our shoes off, put them in there, so that the shoes just aren't thrown everywhere. Okay, and then you come into you come down the hallway, and there's a laundry room in there. There's a garage right there. Coat closet right here. It's pretty dark in there. And we've got toys everywhere. We got Petrova toys everywhere. Here's the kitchen. Let me see, it's kind of messy in here too because like I said, we're still putting things away and unpacking things. I don't even have my dishes out yet. I just have the plastic ones. I can't find the glass ones or the regular plates that we use, but so I'm still looking for those. Today I think what I'll do is I'll go into the garage and I'll get all the boxes that are in there and distribute them to the rooms that they belong in. Oh my goodness, look at all this gray I need to cover. That is bad. So I've got a few things up. Still looking for my cookie jar that goes there. So this is the kitchen. Oh, look at the babies. Let me go say hi to the babies. She looks so adorable today. And this is the baby drinking wawa. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. She's got lines all over her face. Let me take you outside. So today that is pretty much what's on the agenda, is just unpack. I don't have that big of a yard, but that's okay because we're older and we don't have time to be spending time outside mowing 2 acres of yard like we had in Castroville. So this is the outside. Yeah, Adam loves this barbecuer. Okay, let me see. I think I'll save the upstairs for another day. But oh, let me take you to my beauty room. Here's the steps that lead to upstairs. So you, after the kitchen right there, you come down this hallway, and let me see if I can find a light. This is one of the bedrooms that's downstairs. Uh-oh, I lost connection there for a second, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I died there for a second. Here I am in the library. There's a closet there, and we still have stuff everywhere. There's Yoda. Petrova's kind of scared of Yoda, and Petrova's kind of following me around right now. And then you come down, so there's the kitchen. So there's this little hallway. There's some family pictures I need to hang on the wall. Here's a bathroom. So this is the bathroom I'll be using when I'm down here in my beauty room. I've got kind of a nautical theme going on a little bit. I've got more nautical stuff that I need to unpack still. So this is my beauty room, and it's still kind of... So sorry, guys. Okay, I'm actually plugged into the wall right here, so it shouldn't die on me again. I'm so sorry. So here I am in my beauty room, which is what I started to show you. Got bookshelves there. I've got my, whatchamacallit, my desktop there, and here's where I would be filming my beauty videos, and right here is where I will be sitting for my crochet videos. There's the table that I always use for my crochet videos. There's a messy closet over there with boxes in it that I still need to unpack. And I didn't get to see what... Okay, so earlier Sonia Riley said, hello, good morning, congrats on your new house, it's beautiful. Thank you. I love it. I loved waking up here the very first time that I did, which was Tuesday morning. We moved in Monday. That's the day we got the keys, and we slept here that night. And yeah, it's been awesome having modern conveniences again. Our Castroville home, the childish home, childish? I keep calling it childish home, my childhood home, is older. It's really old, and so it didn't have the modern conveniences that most of y'all have. Let me see. Someone else said, Joe Smith said, gorgeous home. Thank you. Yes, I love it. There's no one in here anymore, but that's okay. It's because I've had technical difficulty. My phone kept dying. But I just wanted to say good morning and to let y'all know that I was thinking about you this morning. So I thought, okay, I know I look really, really bad. I'm still in my pajamas and robe, but since I'm thinking about them right now, I'm going to go ahead and just turn the live cam on, and regardless of how bad I look. And I wanted to let y'all know that I'm not sure how much longer I am going to keep this particular channel, just because of the fact that I haven't put much content on here, therefore it hasn't grown, the channel hasn't grown very much, and so YouTube is going to shut down the monetization of this video. Oh, I wanted to show you this cute light. I love this. I bought this last year around right after Christmas time. It was on sale for 20 bucks. Usually they're like, I don't know, they're more than that. And so I got one. I got two actually, but this one, Vanessa's cat chewed through the wire, so the light doesn't turn on anymore, but this one still does. So I've got one person in here watching, but mainly I just wanted to let you know that I'm thinking about you, and if I do have to shut down this channel, then you can still see me on Made with Love by Glama and join me there, and especially Glam It Up with Glama. I'm really focusing on that channel quite a bit because I'm trying to make it grow. Right now I've only got like 8,000 something subscribers. And so I'm trying to grow that channel as well as continue to work on my crochet channel. I don't know, the last time I was live on my was it on my crochet channel I was live? Yeah, it was, because I was showing y'all what I was working on. It was a sneak peek. I thought I was going to finish it that same day, or at least within the next couple days, and then make the video before I moved. But oh my goodness, it just got so crazy. I didn't have any time. I finished it. In between packing, I would get tired. I would pack 2 or 3 boxes, and then I would get tired, and I said, you know what, I'm going to go sit down and crochet a little bit. And crocheting is so relaxing to me. So I did finish the project. I just need to sew it together, and then I will show it to y'all, and then I will make a tutorial here soon. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit over here and I'm going to edit my life, what is it, a month in my life for December. I know it's almost the end of January and I'm just now doing the December month in my life, but I'm going to do that, and then I'm probably going to do the tutorial for the crochet project for my Made with Love by Glama channel. And then for my Glam It Up with Glama channel, I'm going to do the month in my life for December. I put the month in my life videos on both my crochet and my beauty channel. And then for my beauty channel after that, I'm going to do an empty house tour of the day that we moved in. I took a bunch of footage, little clips here and there. So I'm going to put all that together and put that on my beauty channel. Maybe I'll put that on my crochet channel too. I don't know. Y'all will have to let me know if you want to see it on my crochet channel or not. And then after that, for my beauty channel, I'm going to be... What am I going to film after that? I think after that, I'm going to do my lip plumper gadgets that I bought. Oh, there's Petrova again. Hi, baby. Are you visiting Glama? You look so adorable today. Look at you. Can you say hi? Say hi. You are so cute. Yes, you are. You are so cute. Say hi. Hi, everyone. You're so silly. You're so silly. Look at you, silly girl. Say hi to my friends. Go, mwah. What are you doing? Are you dusting my shelf? It is kind of dirty, but you're going to get your hands dirty now. Let me see your hands. Come here. Let me see your hands. Oh, yeah. You want to sit with Glama? Come on. You got to help me. Help me, help me, help me. Say hi, everyone. Glama loves you. Oh, she's saying hi. She's waving. Alrighty, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go now. But thank you so much for watching. And don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.